Hello, everyone. Okay, I can see Dilnoza, I can see Mohammad Irfan, Mahesh, Ravi, Naeem. Okay, the condition for this training is that everybody needs to turn on the cameras, otherwise the moderator will take you out of the group because whoever I'm training, I need to see them. So, okay, I can see people are connecting. Let's give 5 more minutes. Everybody turn on the cameras. Let's see. Okay, I can see Ravi, I can see Dilnuza, Ehtisham, Jamil, I cannot see Irfan, I cannot see Mahesh. So just to let you know, if your camera is not on, you will be blocked out of the account. That's a mandatory condition because I want to make sure who is being trained. And this training is not for everyone. So I would like to have a basic round of understanding. Can you all hear me well? Is my voice clear? Okay, perfect. So let's hear what are you trying to learn and what do you think is this training about? And then we'll talk for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, audience is building and then we will start. So let's start with Dilnoza. Dilnoza, you can unmute yourself. And let's keep it interactive, everyone. Okay, I need video cameras on. Hanif, Metar, Bonus, Jamil. Otherwise, you will be out of the room in 5 minutes. Okay. All the people needs to be with video camera only. Yeah, Dilnoza, go ahead, please.
Sorry, could you explain one more time what I should do? I just joined this link and I didn't heard all the things.
Okay. Yeah, this is the first training, so no need to worry. We will be starting on, and this is a very new concept for especially people in developing places. Okay, let's hear Mahesh. Mahesh, what do you think this is all about? You can unmute yourself. Can't hear you, Mahesh. Yeah. Go ahead, speak now. Meanwhile, I'm trying to. I don't know why I can't hear you. Okay, Ravi Raj.
Yeah, hi Farid. Yeah, so this is something I came to know living for trading. I think I have been into most of the time for my investment. So this trading, I just want to start, but at the right time you started this webinar. Thanks a lot for inviting me. Yeah,
Pleasure. I saw Barzo from Afghanistan. Barzo, you're there. I know the connection there is not strong. Thank you, Ravi. Let's take the last one. And then, guys, you need to turn on the video cameras. Otherwise, if you're out of the Zoom room, then don't let me know. Okay. Let's get started. So formally, welcome to this first training. Keep camera active, and whatever I'm asking you, try to use chats. Let's make it interactive, otherwise you will not earn. Are you all with me? Raise your hands, yes or no? Okay, raise your hands. Are you all with me? Clear, loud? Good. Okay. So now let's see how many of you know what is trading. Raise your hands. And see, this is now interactive, right? Turn on the cameras, keep the hands in the air. So I know what people know, how basic I need to go. How many of you know what is trading? Okay, good. Half of them know. So let's start the whiteboard. I'll try to start from this concept, and then we will go fast, boom, 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 quick. Okay. You all can see my board, right? Okay. Now what happens is the concept in the world is very basic, right? People buy goods and sell goods, right? Whatever you buy cheap. Okay, let's say you buy for $1 and then you sell for $2. So whatever is $2 minus 1 is your profit, correct? Are you all with me? Yes or no? That's the basic concept. Okay. Now, many people do trading from early days in commodities. Commodities means there were things like rice, there were things like oil, there were things like gold, silver. Then there were currencies that replaced those commodities. Are you all with me? And now when we talk currencies, there were so many currencies: USD, dollars, European currencies, shingles, Chinese rubles, Russian rubles, Swiss money. So they all had a conversion rate. How many of you are from Pakistan? Raise your hands. So you know Pakistan to USD rate every day, changing up and down, right? It's a small amount, but we will see now how you can make money of that small amounts. Okay. How many from India? Okay. Afghanistan. I know Afghanistan people texted me, they cannot open cameras. Only exception for them, connection is not strong. Tajikistan. Okay, I can see Medina, Dilnoza and all. Okay, good. Now, it's not mandatory that you sitting in Pakistan cannot buy US dollars or you buy European dollars. This market operates 24 hours a day. Okay, 5 days a week. So the good thing is there are 3 markets, write it down. One is a US time zone market, one is a European time zone market, and the other is the Asian time zone market. Okay, now where do you think are the most buyers and sellers? Anyone? Mohammed Irfan? Jamil? Where do you think
No
are the
idea
most?
about it.
Okay. Jamil? Where do you think are
I
the
guess,
most buyers and sellers?
sir, I guess in US and in China.
In US and China. Good, excellent. Why? The money is flowing fast. There are more. So when I say more volume means more money. The number of buyers are more in Asia, but the number of money is more in US. Second largest is Asia. Why? Because China comes under Asia. Okay, Chinese people are tons of money there. And then the European market. So if you have to see the fast movements, you play in the US hours. The second fastest movement, you play in the Asian hours. The third slowest movement, you play in the European hours. Is this clear? Yes or no? When we say fast means I give 10 apples to Dilnuza for $1 each. Dilnuza bought for $10. Dilnuza sold quickly to Etesham for $1. She made her $1. Etesham quickly sold to Iqbal. Iqbal sent to Ravi. This is quickly done, in couple of seconds. So in order to make $7 from Dilnuza to Ashfaq, we have to go through 7 transactions, right? And through 7 transactions, you can do 7 transactions in 7 hours, or you can do 7 transactions in 5 minutes. Where would you like to make money? In 5 minutes or waiting for 7 hours? 5 minutes, right? Raise your hands who are saying 5 minutes. Give
5
yourself a
minutes.
pat on the back. Okay, everybody is inclined and greedy to make dollars, which is good. We all are here for. Okay, so that's why if you can work in US hours, which is night in most of the places, people are sleeping, you can focus well. 1-2 hour a day is good. Okay, now let's see how it works. So the concept is very simple, and I will try to show you how it works, and I will try to share you a screen of how the chart looks like. Can you see the charts? Yes or no? Raise your hands if you can see that. Okay, great. So now, let me try to raise the pen. And so this is one of the chart of Apple. Okay, let me try to just show you your European and USD, USD. Okay, now you just see, this is a graph of 1 minute. 1 bar represents 1 minute. Okay, now see how the function has been. This is 11 o'clock, 11:06 in US now. This is the dollar to European Union rate. Okay, now euro versus dollar rate. If you would be buying, let me try to expand it. In every minute, you see 1.06181 was the rate last minute, and now the rate is 1.05223. It's very small, but can you see the arrows? I am moving. Okay. Now let me show you something. So this is the measurement bar. Okay. Can you see that? So in 1 minute, it's just 0.05% increase. Okay. Now, many of you think, oh my God, 0.05%, that's too small. How many of you agree with that? Yes or no? But I will tell you how you make money on that. So let's say you said, okay, let me show you first, so you understand how you can make money, and then we will get into, because once first you see how the money is made, then it will interest you more. So let's go from so I will just take today. Okay, the day today started from this point. Okay, let me highlight it, this point, and today we are now at this point. Can you both see all the points? This is at what time? 9:15. And right now it's what? 11 o'clock. How many minutes? Approximate 2 hours? Yes or no? Raise your hands if you all are with me. This is very important to understand. I don't want you to left behind. Okay, now see how much the price dropped in 2 hours. Okay. The price dropped, I'm writing it down, 119 bars. It's too big. The price dropped 119 bars. .38%. Okay, now this was a good drop in just 1 hours and 59 minutes. So basically 2 hours. Okay. Now let's say you were playing with $100 in your account. Okay, and $100 is considered very small. This is something, if anybody of you learned, can manage. Okay. Now you will say, if you make $100 and multiply, pick up your calculators and cell phones. I want you all, because trading is all about maths. You need to be good with maths. Pick up and do 0.38% of $100. If you would have sell it here and buy it here, so there are two ways of operating: buy low, sell high, or sell high, buy low. Okay, you can do reverse orders as well. How much is this? Can anybody tell me? And let's use the chat as well quickly. Okay, Salman Tabani. Quick. I want people to be quick in that, because we'll keep half an hour training and we'll just move to the next point. Okay, how much? Naeem? You can unmute yourself.
Can you repeat it again?
Yeah, how much is $100 times 38%? Who has done it? You can.
38, yeah.
I think it would be $3.8 probably, right?
Yes.
Let me make sure, because I'm operating this two tools, so I just want somebody to help me.
38% of
Not
100 is
not
38.
38, not 38, 0.38%.
Yeah. So that will be 0.38, I guess.
0.38, right? 0.38%. Good. Okay. So now you will say, oh my God, 0.38 cents, I am not interested. Right? How many of you are interested in making 0.38 cents? Raise your hand. No, I want to be rich on day two. I want to buy a helicopter day two, right? Okay, now I'll tell you how it works. You cannot buy a helicopter, but at least you can buy gasoline or petrol for your car, at least in 2 hours trading, which is not consistency builds the momentum. Okay, let's see. So if I would have given you $10,000, consider that. Okay. Let me change the color. Now do it with 10,000. What's going on? $10,000 into 38 cents into 38%, 0.38%. Now, how much is that? Anyone? How much is that? I think let me open chat. People are $380. Wow. So this is now, thank you, Aliyah and Jamil. So 380. Let me back check. $10,000 times 0.38% is $38. Okay. $38 seems well. In 2 hours, if you can earn 38, this means how much are you able to earn in an hour? About $20 an hour. Yes or no? Is that good money for you? Yes or no? Raise your hands. How many of you say $20 if I made in 2 hours and I'm not working, I'm just watching my screen, is a good money? Okay, now the problem is you don't have $10,000. How will you make that? Okay, you only have, let's say, $100. So there is a concept which is called leverage. Okay, now leverage means you are starting a business, and let's say Ehtisham said, Farid bhai, I have a foolproof idea. I know what I do. Trust me, I will not lose your money. I have $100 only, but can you give me $10,000 for 2 hours? I just have an emergency. I say, okay, all good. Yeah. Just give me $10,000 and I will give you back in 2 hours. Okay. So Ehtisham took the money, rush out to his account, put $10,000, made $38 and give me back $10,000 in 2 hours. It happened nothing to me. Yes or no? Right? I would have charged him the fees in cents. Maybe I would have charged him $1 or $4 or $3 as my interest rate. And Ehtisham still made $38. So Ehtisham, if he pays me $4, still he made $32 with his $100 account. Yes or no? So if Ehtisham had a $100 account and he made $38 in 2 hours, what percent is that? Can somebody tell me? Come on, guys. You don't need calculator. It's 38%. $100 and $38 is 38%. Yes or no? ये बात सबको समझ आ गई है? Can you all understand this? Raise your hands. And I need the videos to be turned on, guys. How can you learn without your video cameras turned on? Tell me. This is a live trading. Turn on your cameras, otherwise we'll kicking you guys out. Okay. Turn on. There is no fee, but the fee is turn the cameras on. Show me your faces. Okay, raise your hands. How many of you can understand what I said? Dilnuza, yes or no? Raise your hands. Okay, Iqbal, Ravi, Ali, Amin, Amjad, Komal, Jamil, Afaq, Hanif, yes or no? All good? Thumbs up, pat on the back. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, so now the problem is solved. The problem is solved is we saw in 2 hours we can make 38% money. So let's say if you have $100 in your account tomorrow, after you have learned the skill, if you make $38 every day and market operates 20 days a week, how much can you make? 38 times 22 working days? About $600? Yes or no? Is that good money for you?
Yes.
You made 6x.
Yes.
600%. But this could happen vice versa. You could have lost $38 as well in 2 hours if the market gets against you. Yes or no? Right? So let's say you were, so I'm rubbing this off now, everything. So let's say you were selling here, and you were buying here. So, you can buy low, sell high, or you can sell high, buy low. So, market boom crashed, and it's not crashed. It's actually will be picking back up. See, now it's picking back up. So if somebody buys here, he can sell here, here, whatever it is. This was 0.38%. Now assume if you had $1,000 in your account, and I say, I'm giving you 100x leverage. 100x means when I give you $100 and I said you can have 100x leverage, means you can buy up to $10,000, right? Yes or no? Now, if you have $1,000 tomorrow, let's say you made $600 last month. Now I give you 100x. Now you can buy $60,000 of currencies. Yes or no? Now your 0.38% will be very high. You will not make $38. You will make $100 in 1 hour. Yes or no? This is compounding effect of Warren Buffett. Okay? Okay, spot check. How many of you feel it's going above the head? Raise your hands. How many of you feel I can understand it? It's okay. I understand. Raise your hands. Okay, thumbs up. Good. Should I move forward? So this is how
Yes.
market works, and you learn how people can make money. Are you excited to learn? How many of you are excited to learn? Okay, then there is a fee for the program, and the fee for the program is turn on your video cameras, okay? So everyone turn on the cameras. This is the blackmailing that I do. First I have to give you the carrot that, hey, how to make money, good things, and then I'll blackmail you to open the cameras. I want to see the faces. Okay. Why we started this program is because there is an emotional feeling attached to it. And that is, I saw a lot of people getting jobless, even in Asian countries, American, European economy that's slowing down. And the problem is people don't have very good graduates. I see many people know me by face. They have worked in different companies, but when you don't have job, how can you productively use your time? Are you all with me? Yes or no? So this is a skill where you don't need to work for anyone. If you can master this skill, and initially, trust me, it's very tempting. You learn the first lesson, you want to invest the money, and you will lose the money. I have lost a lot of money. Lot means lot of money. It's not easy. Okay. Many traders quit in first 14 days because they lost all their money. So I, being your trainer, will not allow you to work with actual money. Are you okay? Yes or no? Okay. I want you first to master the virtual money. Virtual money is the same as your real money. It's just when you lost, you don't get a heart attack. Okay. And when you profit, you can also not spend and buy the ice cream. It's just dummy money. But once you feel that, okay, you are trading 7 days, 10 days, 14 days, hey man, I'm making the money profit. Then after 14 consecutive days, try to put some money, small money, and try to see how it works. Okay, I have piloted with some students, God is kind. I have seen them starting with $100 account, and now their account is $1,000 in 3 months. Okay. So this is no network marketing. I'm not getting any benefit than having prayers from you guys, but practice. You cannot learn in 4 classes and beat the big institutional traders, but I will teach you those things which I've learned investing a lot of money, but I need your hard work. So how many of you are ready to commit to this skill? Raise your hands. Okay. Now, whatever I will teach you, I will come only twice a week because I want to respect my time. I'm committed. I have different stuff. But whatever I will teach you, I will give you homeworks, and you guys have to practice it 2 hours a day. How many of you agree to that point? Raise your hands. This is not like watching a TV that you watch me when I'm there and you will not learn. You will fail 1,000 times, but you have the opportunity. So go ahead and install this tool. It's called tradingview.com. Write it down, tradingview.com. You can have a free account. This is a paid pro account, but free account looks as good as this. How many of you have used this system before? Okay, one or two, because it's not is a new concept for you. But use this, and now let me show you how we will make money. Okay. So let me clear all this. And can somebody confirm me if the Facebook feed is going good? I can sense that it's going well. Okay. So what we need to do is now let's see our screen share, and what we will do is we will try to play in the replay mode. Okay. And replay mode is you will learn with me how market operates. So we will play in the basic currency Euro USD. Okay. Everybody knows Euro. Everybody knows USD, right? So we are buying Euro. We are giving Euro and buying USD. Okay. Now let's go back for let's go back. Okay, here are we. Now we don't know what will happen and how markets will react after this point, but the replay mode is on, and you see markets is moving. Okay, it's going up, it's going down. Can you all see the screen? So if we would have sell here, quickly, wow, good, boom, and just quickly buy here, you would have made good money. Like we saw 0.38%, 0.25%. Now, if you did not sell here, if you did not buy or CV bought here, market is still going down. Wow. Now market started coming up. See? So it looks very easy, but it's not that easy, because when your real money is invested, your mind does not work so fast like this computer system is. Okay. So let's say now I'm waiting for a minute. Okay, I need to do mute to somebody who is putting hammers on the mic. Okay, everybody is on mute. Okay, now let me open chat so you guys can type. Now, what do you think market did? What would have been the ideal picture? Who will tell me? And raise your hand so I can unmute you. Who will tell me? Let's see, let's keep it interactive. Let's make it interactive. Okay, raise your hands. Mahesh, what do you think would have been an ideal way to make money in this situation? If you were me, what would you have done? Yes, I can hear you. Lot of noise. Mahesh, we can hear you, but there is a lot of disturbance at the back. Okay, Amjad, there is a lot of disturbance from your side. I'm muting you up. Okay, Mahesh, you were saying something. Please unmute yourself. Yeah, go ahead. Okay, I don't know why I can't hear you. Okay, anybody else wants to try? Quickly. Naeem? Yes.
Okay, so I think we can make money here in two positions. I guess we can buy at the bottom. I
Very
cannot
good.
see the at 1. I guess the time is 1 at the bottom, exactly at the start. At the bottom, and
Here
then
or
we can
here as well. Yeah,
yeah,
here
yeah,
as well.
yeah,
This
and
is
then
buy
we can
one.
sell it. Yeah, and then we can sell it at the top, and the
Yeah.
other position we can take, we can short there from the top, and we can sell it like there at the bottom, and then again buy and sell.
Good. Let's clap for it. Wonderful line. Thank you. So you saw how he spotted two opportunities, right? Now the problem is in real life, this is the pure example. You buy here, sell here, buy here, sell here, right? And even you can do like buy here, sell here, then sell here, buy here, then again buy here, sell here. So you did 3 transactions. And trust me, if you were playing with $100 account, if you were that strong to spot and buy here, you would have made $100 into $300 the same day. 3 times. Now I can see smiles on everyone's face. Well, this is somebody a Wall Street broker can do. He cannot even do. I have worked with so many. So there are so many things, so many hard algorithms, math that you need to crack. But right now, to begin with, today's lesson, write it down. I'm teaching you the EMA strategy. Okay. And these are basic strategies that works 70%, but day by day, I will increase the level. Okay. So that's called EMA strategy. Okay. Now I'm adding some layers to it. Okay. So what you do is you go here on indicators and click moving exponential moving average. Okay. You see moving average exponential, click it twice, even click it 3 times. So you see there are 3 moving averages. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Now click this gear icon in the first one and make it 5 and color it green. Okay. Click the second EMA and make it 8 and color it yellow. I'm making a traffic light, red, yellow, green. I'm just giving you a quick technique that traders use to get in and out. And third is 13. It's very strong research-based strategy by Forex brokers. And now you see, I am trying to increase it. Can you see this point? Is the system telling you where to enter? So what happens, see, now here, when we plotted the buy, let me make it a bit darker. Okay, now you can easily see, are you all with me? Raise your hands. Can you understand what I did? You can watch the videos as well otherwise. Okay, but just follow. Who will tell you where to buy, where to sell? Because if the market is done, anybody could go and say, oh, I would have bought here and sold here, bought here and sold here, right? But the challenge is when you don't know what will happen in future, how do you buy? So this indicator will tell you how do you buy and sell. So see, this indicator is red, yellow, green here. Yes or no? You see one line is green is over yellow, yellow is over red. Perfect, going up, and you cut it off here and you sell here because now it reversed. And then it bounced, it reversed, it bounced, it reversed, it bounced. Then the second buy to would be here. And then boom, sell to would be here. So instead of buy and hold, this was confusing zone. Anybody could be like, boom, 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 boom. What will happen? Markets are confused. So what's happening in this situation? Sellers are pushing buyers, buyers are pushing sellers, and this is billions of dollars in market. And this is like, have you played tug of war when you were kids? Like there is a rope, one party is crushing the rope here, one is crushing there. This is the same situation. Buy, sell, where would I go? And at the end, whoever wins, the stock takes that trend, right? You will stop. Here you will buy, here you will stop. Here you will buy, here you will stop. And let's see what kind of profits are we talking about still. Okay. So if you would have been here to here, you're talking about 0.20%. And from here to here, 0.7%, 17%. So you got your 38%, 0.20 here, 0.17 here. You add that, it's the same 0.38 or 37% that we show. And if you were playing with $100 account, and you would have got 100x leverage, you were able to buy $10,000 of Euro USD, which is equal to 0.1 lot size. Write it down. Whenever I say 0.1 lot, this means $10,000. Whenever I'll say 1 lot, this means $100,000. Okay. So you made 0.37 means $37 on $100. So in the morning you said, Mom, can you give me $100? And then in the end you say, oh, here is your $5 and here is my 32. You made 32. 3 days you can double your investments. Happy? How many of you can see this happening? I showed you, right? I showed you in the live mode. How many of you can understand how it works? Yes or no? Okay. So I showed you the big picture. Anybody can say buy here, sell low when the market is already taken the day off. But there needs to be a strategy when to enter, when to exit. Yes or no? So this 3 moving average method where we take EMA, exponential moving average 5, 8, and 13. When green crosses yellow, crosses red, you learn the traffic light. When traffic light is on, you take the trend. When traffic light is stopped, you stop the car. You sell. Whoever can drive well can also make money. Keep it simple. Whoever does not stop on the traffic light, lose the money and get the car accident. Yes or no? I know in many places, Pakistan, India, nobody stops at traffic light. But here you want to stop because you lose the money. Okay? Many people are laughing. But did you learn something? How many of you raise your hand? How many of you understood what I taught you today? Give yourself a pat on the back. So this is your lesson now. See this video 2-3 times if you don't understand and what you need to do. Okay. Now the homework. Our 30 minutes are almost over. It's 6 minutes up. Install Trading View. Okay. Install Trading View. And let me see if I can type. Let me go to my whiteboard. Can you all see whiteboard? Okay. The homework today is 1, install Trading View. You don't need to install it, it's a web app. Make a free account. Pick up Euro USD. Okay. You'll play in that currency. And go to indicators and click EMA 3 times. Put 5, 8, 13 and make it color green, yellow, and red. And try to spot, go back the day and try to buy on traffic light, green, yellow, red, and sell on red, yellow, green. Simple. Can you all understand what need to do? So what you will do is you will go and you will say, okay, take the photo of this, what you need to do. This is the homework. Okay. And if somebody can put that on WhatsApp for me, I'll appreciate that. Let's make WhatsApp community strong. And moderators here, I will tell you to just let the people leave who are not interested, because our WhatsApp group has only 200 capacity. So now what you need to do is, everyone listen to me. You need to learn to play on replay mode. Okay, I'll show you how you play on replay mode. समझ आ गया अभी तक जो समझाया? Can everybody understand it? Yes or no? Raise your hands. No confusions? Perfect. Give me thumbs up. Keep it in the air so I know how many of you can understand it. This is the simplest strategy, but this is the strategy that works. You will find on YouTube tons of things, but those people don't know trading, zero trading. I'm telling you from real experience. Okay. And I'm not even charging you because I want you to be successful. But the condition is practice. It's not that easy like I showed you. Okay. But you can make money. Okay. People make money, people lose more money. So what you will do is, okay, come, I'll show you again on trading view how you play. So you click here on trading view and you click paper money. Okay. And you just connect it. And you see system gave you $100,000. You don't want 100,000. Just click this arrow and say, give me only $1,000. Give me $10,000, which is like $100 basically leveraged out. You see $10,000? Everyone, can you see the screen? Okay, now what you do is, let's say you are in a replay mode. Okay, let it replay. Let's replay. Let's replay from here somewhere in the back. We don't know what's the situation. Okay, now let's see. So this is the buy button, this is the sell. Okay, now you just keep on watching. And you all tell me when to buy, when to sell. Okay, I'm just playing it. Playing on a 3x mode. So see, red, yellow, green, red, yellow, green. Now it's a buy. It's red, yellow, green. I bought here, see. It's falling, 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 falling. Sell. I sold here. Let me pause it quickly. You saw what I did? Here was red, yellow, green. Here was red, yellow. Let's see how much money I made. It shows here 0.90 USD. It means I just made $1 in 1 minute, right? But if I 10x it, how much do you think can I buy? Too much, right? So don't go on the dollar value. I showed you how leverage can help you. Do you want me to do it one more time? How many of you say? Raise your hands. Okay, let's do one more time. Okay. So let's do replay from somewhere here. Okay. And you can always make it big if you want. Don't put too many indicators that confuses you. Just, okay, see, this is red, yellow, green. So this is sell. Somewhere it's picking up buy, but then it becomes sell. I will wait. I will wait for bigger candles. Okay. But let it run. Okay, it's a selling. Oh, boom. It looks like market is confused. Oh, very big jump. Very big jump. Very big jump. Okay, now looks like buy. I bought here, but hope it goes up. 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 Up, 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 up. Boom. See, I still sold here. But why? Still we made money, right? How much money we made? From here to here. 0.10%. Okay. So you can see 50 cents here, but 50 cents means what? 50 cents means 50 cent on $100. If it would be $10,000, then it would have been $50. Okay, yes or no? Right? So this is how you make money here to here, but this was slightly, I should have sold it here. I bought it here, I sold here, see, still it came down. I should have sold it here. Buy here, sell here. This was 0.10%. This would have been 0.15%. Okay. So maybe instead of $50, it could be it's not $50, it's $5. It would have been 7.5. But see, this was a very small move, just a 10-second move, right? So you need to remember, like this, if you take one trade was 10 cents of $5. If you take 10 trades, you make 5 into 10, $50 a day. Good for you. $50 a day. If you play 20 days, you make how much? $1,000. So what I said to you is doable or not? Can you make $1,000 or not? But requires a practice. Okay, because this is now paper money. Still you play on paper money, your heart is like, but think if it's your real money, what will happen? You know? So, okay, so you need more practice and good luck, guys. We did 45 minutes instead of 30. I will try to come every Thursday. Is that okay? Thursday is good for everyone. Okay, if I get time, we'll try to do one more day Saturday, but do the homework and let's make our WhatsApp group strong. Don't post on ASM, post on WhatsApp group your photos of screenshots of how you made money on replay. Thumbs up, yes or no? Let's motivate. I am sure some would be golden students, some would be silver, some would be failing, but when the golden students post, the other gets motivated, right? Let's make this group successful. I want 100 traders by end of 2023. That's my internal goal. I don't want 5,000 people on the group to excel. If 100 people are successful, rest will follow. Yes or no? Thank you very much. Take care. This is Farid Premani signing off. Okay? Take care.